How to fix not authorized to join this experience due to privacy settings in Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So to fix the not authorized pop-up in your Roblox, then you'll need to go to the Roblox app, head over to more, and then go to settings, then go to privacy and content restrictions. There, um, once you see all the options, you need to go to content maturity, and there you can see a slider. So if you want to see the restricted content, you just need to drag the slider to restrict it. However, you can see that only adults aged 17 or older have access to restricted experiences. So you can verify your age by tapping on verify now, but you will need to submit your valid ID, your driver license, passport, ID card, or residence permit to verify your age. So you can start the session, verify your age, and then you can view the restricted contents as well. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.